Hi, welcome to Carrie Creates Cards. Come along and we'll have some fun today creating. I hope you enjoy watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Hi, today I'm going to be working with the Gelli Plate. The one I have is this one, which is a Marianne design, and it's roughly 8 by 8. And I'm using this brayer. It's fairly large for what I want, but that's what I have, so that's what I'm going to use for this project. Now I'm just doing a very quick, simple background, and I'm going to use the Distress Oxide Spice Marmalade just to put some ink down really quickly. So I'm just going to pop that down on the Gelli Plate. And I'm going to come in with the brayer, and I'm just going to blend that ink. And I'm using a 6 by 6 piece of cardstock. Let's go over that once more. Which I'm going to just pop down there. Just apply even pressure all around it. Could even come in with the brayer and apply the pressure on top there. And then I'm just going to pull a print. So as you can see, it just pops some beautiful colour down very quickly for me. So because it's Distress Oxides, it just wipes off very easily. Just with it, just using a baby wipe to clean it up. So I've just come back in with my Cardbase there. And I'm going to use these stamps by Lavinia. And this is the Fine Flourish. I'm going to be using the Forrest Versfineclair. And I'm popping this stamp down onto an acrylic block. So I want to create some kind of a surrounding for my fairy, as though she's in a forest. So I'm going to ink that up, the Versfineclair. Just pop that down. I just want to fill it in all around with that. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Just going to wipe that off. And next I'm coming in with my lovely fairy stamp, and she's called Rue by Lavinia. So because Rue is a larger stamp, I've decided I'm going to use my stamping platform, and I'm just going to pop the magnets down there. Just want to get the placement on Rue right. Maybe about there I think would be good. And I'm just going to pick her up. So next I'm going to ink her up, and I'm going to use the Twilight. It's a dark navy colour by the Versfineclair. Just ink her up well. Just come in and pop her down. Yeah, that's good. I'll just give it one more go around her body there. The rest of it looks very good. Perfect. Yep, just clean up here now. So I'm coming in next and I'm going to go around my edge, and for this I'm using the Versfineclair Monarch and my little brush. So I'm just going to ink that up. Pop you down there. Just come in and touch the edge. Now I do want to get it all around the edge, but I don't want to come in too far with it. It's quite a dark colour and I think it'll frame it really nicely, especially when I pop it down on the card base. Just hit those corner pieces, and if you lean a bit heavier with the brush, it just makes the colour go on darker, which I quite like around the edge, on the corners I should say. I'm just going to go back in over this one and lean harder. Get that lovely dark corner that I love and just blend it. Same down here. There we go. You can see, just draws your eyes into the bright centre. Just give that a wipe over. And the next thing, I'd like to give the background a bit of texture. So I'm going to come in with a bit of, let's see, I'm going to use this water pen that has that glitter ink inside it. And I'm going to just squeeze out some here on the side to get it onto my brush. I'd like a good bit, there we go. And I'm going to just flick that onto it. So it'll not only just lift the alcohol oxide, but it'll also add in that lovely shimmer. Give it a bit of magic. As I always say, they're fairies, so why not? Yeah, like that. It's so nice. I don't want to pick it back up, but I think I'll have to just come in and, yeah, pick it up like that. So next I'm coming in with my card base, and I'm going to be using this 8x8 card base. I think it'll frame it nicely. So I'm going to come in with my double-sided tape. Just going to pop that down. I just want to wipe this off because some of the sparkle has ended up down there, and I don't want to damage the back of my card. So it's important to keep it clean. So come back in there now, that just make sure it's in the right place and it's opening correctly. I think I might come and pop a bit of glue just down over that so that it'll give me more time to maneuver it. Of course, contaminating the area again with the glitter. Maybe I should have left it dry longer. That bit of double-sided tape is sticking out. Just push it back in there. Just see if I can line that up. Because I've got the glue back there, should allow me to be able to maneuver it a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. There we go. So there we go. I think you'll agree it was quite an easy one to do. And I like the final result. You can see those sparkle bits as they catch the light, adding a bit of magic. So I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you have, please like and subscribe. And thank you.